Warship ng Australia dumaong dito sa Manila Bay.
The Hamas Hobart is the first of 3 ships of the Hobart-class guided missile destroyers. It was commissioned on September 23, 2017. The Hobart class DDGs are based on the Navantia designed F-100 frigate and are fitted with the Aegis combat system. These ships were constructed in Australia by the Air Warfare Destroyer Alliance. The primary role of the Hobart class is to provide air defense for accompanying ships, land forces, and coastal infrastructure. It is also capable of self-protection against missiles and aircraft. The Aegis combat system, which includes a state-of-the-art phased array radar and the SM-2 missile, enables the ship to engage enemy aircraft and missiles at ranges exceeding 150 kilometers. In addition to its air defense capabilities, the Hobart class carries a helicopter for surveillance and response support in key warfare areas. It is equipped with long-range anti-ship missiles and a naval gun capable of firing extended-range munitions to support land forces in surface warfare operations. The Hobart class is also equipped for undersea warfare with modern sonar systems, decoys, surface-launched torpedoes, and a range of close-in defensive weapons.
So ito guys yung barko ng Amerika dito, no. Ito yung USS Mobile LCS-26. LCS ibig sabihin nun Littoral Combat Ship. Ayan. Laki nito. Maliit lang siya pero grabe yung laki pag nasa harap na. Rocket launcher siguro ito. Alright guys, good afternoon. Dito tayo sa Top Avenue. At grabe, ingay. Mga ganitong oras sobrang busy na dito kasi nga labasan ng mga estudyante, pati na rin ng mga nagtatrabaho, no, uwian, kaya sobrang busy. Bali, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga natapos dito na Public Science High School dito sa Maynila. Pakita ko lang sa inyo na napakaganda. Bali, ang nagsimula talagang mag-umpisa niyan ay ang dating mayor, no, ng Maynila, na si dating mayor Isko Moreno Tumagoso. Ang ingay, pati yung LRT. Ano to, public school lang to, pero sobrang ganda. As in, para kang nasa isang private school na kumpleto. So, malapit na tayo. Dito na tayo sa May Paura. Sir, ayan, paglagpas lang dito, yan na yung school. Tignan nyo, oh, sobrang busy. Dami ng mga estudyante sa labas. Oh, hindi na makadaan yung bisikleta. Ito na yun, no? Grabe. Ang daming mga sasakyan, hindi tayo parada. Bari lalakarin na lang natin.